On this episode of How to Do Florida, Chad, Kristy, Chef Justin, and his wife Caitlin are hitting the high seas on a luxury yachting adventure.
Are you guys ready for this?
Chad will make a dummy run trying to pilot the vessel.
Chad, where are you going? Dad, you got a bridge.
And Chef Justin will be lighting up the galley with some delicious treats. So sit back and anchor yourself from stem to stern for How to Do Florida.
Hey, today we're going to show you how to have a yachting adventure. Okay, pop quiz. Name the state in the lower 48 with the most coastline. That's right, the beautiful state of Florida, which is pretty much surrounded by water. As a result, it's not surprising to find that on average, there's one registered boat for every 21 Florida residents. Today, 4 of those residents are taking one of those boats on a yachting adventure. Kristy and I have invited our How to Do Florida chef Justin Timoneri and his wife Caitlin to do Florida with us on a chartered yacht, one of the many ways to explore Florida's coastline. Our own yacht?
And your own personal chef?
Doesn't get any better than this. In Florida? Are you guys ready for this?
Yes.
I'm ready.
Dozens of yacht rental companies line Florida's coast. We're using Chitwood Charters out of Sarasota to do our yachting adventure. And who better to take along than Chef Justin, who's been helping us champion Florida's fabulous cuisine every single season our show's been on air. You might think the two of us spend a lot of time together, but we really don't get to hang out that much. I'm looking forward to some quality time with these two and the fabulous meals Chef Justin will be preparing, which it turns out calls for a little work on my part.
Goodness gracious. Woo! I thought this was another boat.
Yeah, where's that gonna go?
Is this a dinghy or a cooler?
So I bring a big cooler, but they're going to be real happy with what's inside when they're eating it.
You gotta be kidding me, chef.
Y'all need help?
Our home for the next 2 days will be this beautiful 36-foot Grand Banks trawler. I can't wait to stow the gear and shove off.
All right, let's get this thing untied and get going.
Let's do it.
Our captain is Harry Baker III, a Sarasota native and a veteran sailor of these waters. I'm hoping once we're underway that he can give me a crash course. Wait, bad choice of words. A better understanding of how to pilot one of these big boats. Our yachting adventure will take us from Sarasota all the way down to Boca Grande, about 50 miles south. Now that we're on our way, it's time for me to learn a little bit about captaining.
So here's my hope, is that when this 2-day venture is over, I can take one of these out on my own.
So the charters that we offer at Chitwood Charter, anybody can do it. It's really not difficult. It's just a matter of confidence by the captain. Well, first thing we're going to do is have you take the wheel. Just jump right in. You're going to be focusing on other boats around you. You're going to be focusing on the road ahead of you and the markers. Keep an eye out for what's going on. We offer 2 different types of chartering, bareboat, where the party takes it themselves, and captain for hire, which is what Chad and his party are doing with us today.
Okay, so paying attention to the road, I got that. Watching your gauges.
Keep an eye on the gauges.
Okay, I got that.
Head on a swivel, 360 degrees. You want to keep an eye out for boats behind you, beside you.
Head on a swivel.
Everywhere. Yep.
Head on a swivel. All right. We're moving. We're yachting.
We're rolling.
Yachting. Is that a word? Are we yachting?
We are yachting.
It's a word now.
While I'm yachting away up on the bridge, my companions are making good use of our day on the water. Chef Justin is, well, being Chef Justin. Kristy and Caitlin are spending a little quality time together. Meanwhile,
I know.
I'm getting more and more comfortable at the captain's wheel. Now, if I could just get my crew to follow orders.
Take your time. Chef. Hey, Chef, when's lunch?
We are going to bring the flavor hard on this trip. We got grouper, Gulf shrimp, all kinds of fresh Florida vegetables and fruit.
I'm hungry. When's lunch?
It is simply going to be amazing.
Chef.
We're going to blow their palates out of the water. Okay, lunch is served. Cheers, sir.
This looks delicious.
Yes.
What do we got here, Chef?
All right, so we got some simply boiled Gulf shrimp, phenomenal. A little bit of Florida arugula salad with radish, cucumber, Florida peppers, a little spicy cocktail sauce, and spicy mayo.
Sir,
Looks
bringing
delicious.
you was a good decision. Yes, sir. Starting to pay off.
Thank you.
All right, let's dig in.
All in all, a pretty enjoyable day so far. Until...
What do you got, Chef?
Hey, how you doing? Enjoying yourself, are you?
Yeah, what's up?
Well, hey, you know the deal.
What?
I cook it,
Yeah.
you clean it.
What are you talking about?
I think you know. Here's the deal. I can't start cooking without a clean kitchen.
Goodness, Chef, you made a mess in here.
Kristy and I have chartered a yacht, and along with Chef Justin and his wife Caitlin, we're on a Florida yachting adventure. I've spent most of my day learning to pilot this big boat.
We're going down the intercoastal, and Chad, where are you going?
Dad,
You got a bridge.
This thing got away from me. What the heck? What's
Around.
This the wind, it's the tailwind, it's whipping us.
I think I'm ready to solo. Of course, I haven't done anything real difficult yet, but that's about to change.
We got a bridge coming up.
Bridge is coming up. We're gonna have to open that bridge.
We're gonna have to open that bridge?
Oh yeah, we're gonna open that bridge. So Chad driving the boat, I'm gonna have to keep an eye on him because I've seen the show.
I want to take this thing through a bridge.
You're gonna take it through a swing bridge.
A swing bridge. So this is special. I mean, I should get a T-shirt or something, right?
It is, absolutely.
Okay, so
Absolutely.
what do I do? What do I do?
Okay, so first thing you need to know is what the name of the bridge is. Once you know the name of the bridge, then you can hail them on the VHF.
I'm gonna hail the bridge. Honey, I'm gonna hail the bridge.
All right, go for it.
Blackburn Bridge, this is Suncat approaching from the north. What's your position? No, we're coming. What's your position? What the heck? I froze.
This is Blackburn Point Bridge.
What do I say now?
When's your next opening?
When's your next opening, Blackburn?
We open on request, Captain.
I'm approaching from the north.
Roger that. I'm approaching from the north. I'm requesting an open.
10-4, Captain, is that you by the 34?
Yes, it is.
Roger, Dodger, Roger.
Right on, all right. I'll get right out there for you.
Roger that. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, outside of saying Roger like 4 times in 10 seconds, that went pretty smooth. Now comes the hard part.
All right, here we go.
Let me go through the swing bridge.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Make sure you also wave at the bridge tender.
I have to wave and drive?
You have to wave and
Ah!
Yeah.
Okay. I might have you wave for me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Whew, we made it.
We're through.
Oh gosh, I gotta sit down, Captain.
I'll take the helm.
Nice job, Chad.
Chef, that wore me out, buddy.
Me too.
The day is flying by. Before we knew it, it was time for dinner. And that's Chef Justin's cue.
It's just about dinner time, and we got some great stuff planned for Chad and Kristy and my wife and myself. I've got some beautiful grouper here, some awesome tomatoes we're gonna saute, and my green beans. It's gonna be phenomenal. Florida all the way.
One of the meals I'm really looking forward to is the grouper, Mediterranean style, that my husband makes. And I really think Chad and Kristy are going to love this one. It's one of my all-time favorites.
Oh, Chef, you have outdone yourself, sir. What is it?
All right, so we have, of course, our wonderful Florida grouper. And then we made a little bit of sauce with Florida tomatoes, some capers, some olives, some lemon, and a little bit of feta on top. And then I sauteed some green beans.
Oh,
Beautiful. Fresh,
Delicious.
Mediterranean inspired, beautiful.
Thank you.
does it have a name?
I would say Florida grouper Mediterranean.
Can we put a yacht in there somewhere? The yachting metro.
On a yacht.
On a yacht. Grouper on a yacht.
Yes.
Perfect. Thank
This
you.
looks delicious. Let's dive in.
All right.
This is one of those true Florida moments I'll cherish for a long time. What more could we ask for?
Okay, guys, raise our glasses. To spectacular food, to great friends, on a beautiful boat, in a great state.
Florida.
Florida, baby.
Yes.
To that.
Cheers.
Thanks for having us.
We pulled into Boca Grande last night and slept like babies.
Good morning, guys.
Hey, guys.
Hey.
How are you?
Morning.
Are.
Check out some yachts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Captain, morning, Captain.
Yes, sir. What's up, first mate?
First mate.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go. Go, 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 go.
Wait.
Are we
after
going
you.
together? Just go.
After you.
Captain goes first.
First mate first.
What, are you going to go or what? Let's go together. Come on.
Yeah.
We have time to do a little yacht daydreaming before we have to shove off.
No, seriously, Chef, we could be in one of these.
We could put a little restaurant on top.
We could put a restaurant there. I could shoot the TV show from the boat.
Yes.
I mean, starting tomorrow, if we sold everything we have, we could be in one of these boats inside of a month, Chef.
It's not a bad idea, Chad.
It's a great idea.
It's a good one.
It's a dang good one.
So the captain's going to coach us through how to get this boat away from the dock safely. Right, honey?
That's right.
Safety.
Don't fall in.
I will not fall in.
Chef, what do you got going
I
on
think
down
I need
here?
a little help here, Chad.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
I mean, you got this thing all wrapped around. Lift your head down. Lift your head down. Now you're coming around your body. Dad, burn it.
Get out of here.
You know, why don't you go make us some breakfast,
I think
okay?
I will.
I'll take care of the morning and unmorning.
All clear.
Pushing off. Pushing off here.
Good push, guys. Woohoo! Get that gate closed back there.
So what do we have here, Captain? This is what?
20, 30 knot wind?
You got about a 25, 30 knot wind blowing right now. We got about 2-foot seas right now, and this is in the intercoastal, so you know the open water, the Gulf's got to be really ripping right now.
Whew. Well, this is good. This will present some navigational challenges. This will challenge me a little bit, right?
Build some character.
Because this is the kind of stuff you got to be prepared for, right?
We're going to have some fun with this.
It's windy.
Chef Justin is getting breakfast ready in the galley, and the captain sends me below as well to kind of co-captain the boat.
Okay, so captain's teaching me to drive the boat here, and what we're doing is I'm down below steering, but he's up top, and he can control the wheel if he needs to, like he just grabbed the wheel right there. And he's trying to keep me in the channel, but when he grabs the wheel, it feels like a little slap in the hand.
You know, it wouldn't be so bad steering down here if the captain could listen to his own tunes. But apparently, we have some music mutiny going on.
You know, my music is zesty and fun. Chad's music, it's a little bland, honestly.
Chef, this music, it has no soul, okay? It's just noise.
How can you even say that? Your music doesn't even have a beat.
Okay, the guy is cooking all my meals. I guess I could cut him some slack, especially with this fabulous breakfast he's prepared for us.
We got some beautiful crispy toast with a little Florida avocado, hard-boiled egg, a little bit of Greek yogurt, Florida strawberries, a little bit of star fruit, and some granola bark, and of course our Florida citrus and Florida orange juice.
The good stuff.
Yummy.
Good job, sir.
Thank you.
That's good.
This is great.
Gotta admit, Chef knows his stuff in the kitchen. But when it comes to other stuff, like, let's say, fishing, he struggles just a bit. Fortunately, I came up with a great idea to get him some practice.
There we are.
Oh, thanks, man.
Nice cold beverage. You got anything biting?
No, nothing, man. Nothing yet.
How's my pole going?
You might have. What do
Wait
you
a
got
minute here. Hold on.
What do you got?
Wait a minute.
What do you got? You're spazzing out on me over there. What are you doing?
I'm trying to get this fish. It feels like a big one, man.
Do you need some help?
Yeah.
Pump, and less flailing and more just up and down pumping. There you go. A big fish like this, you gotta play him. You gotta play it out.
Big fish, big fish.
Have you ever caught a fish this size?
No.
You back it down on him, Captain. We're going to back it down.
Wait a minute. What is that?
Here it comes.
Hold on.
Oh, no.
Chad.
What happened?
What is that?
It's a
bucket?
It's a bucket.
You kidding me? What did you do?
It's a 5-gallon one.
I thought I had a big one on the line.
I was training. I was teaching you.
You are unbelievable.
And you did amazing.
You are unbelievable.
You did amazing. You should be proud of yourself.
I'd like to see him in the kitchen, though.
All too soon, we're back where we started. Our yachting adventure complete with what can only be described as a boatload of memories. And me, I learned it's okay to dance a different tune every now and then.
I love yachting.
Well, that's our show. I hope you enjoyed it. Did you guys enjoy it?
Yeah!
But more importantly, I hope you feel encouraged to get out
and do Florida.
How many pots and pans did you use? We had salad and shrimp. You're not making any progress on it. You got to pump. You got to play it out. It could be a big marlin.
I see it.
It's going to show itself. It's going to show itself.
Wait a minute.